Today we are taking a look at the Aputure Amaran HR672S, the portable lightweight LED light. So let's quickly jump into the unboxing. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing. On the box you can see Aputure branding on the top. On the right side of the box you can see some of its features like 2.4 GHz wireless control, it's flicker free, you can control 4 groups of LED light and many more. Opening up the box, you will find the Aputure carry bag. Let's open this bag and have a look what we got inside the bag. There's also Aputure branding on the bag and this LED light having high CRI 95+ rating. In this bag you will find power cable, remote control, 2 Sony type batteries so you can use your LED light without connecting AC adapter. Here's the AC adapter. You will also get some spare LEDs. If some LEDs are damaged, they can be easily replaced by these new LEDs. And a light stand adapter. And when you mount the LED light on it, you can tilt the light position as you want. Let's open the other side. And in here you will find the orange filter, which gives you warm look and it gives you tungsten light effect. So you can get all new look. And here's the Amaran HR672S daylight LED light. And some paperwork. It has 3 female threads, one on the left side, one on the right side and on the bottom. So you can mount this light to light stand and tripod. This HR672S LED light is very lightweight and compact. As it's very portable, you can carry this light anywhere. The body is made from a hard plastic and it's very strong and durable. You can easily change the diffusers. Just slide this out and then slide in the diffuser you want. Just give a little push from the top and it's done. The HR672S have 672 LEDs and has high color rendering index of 95+, which has accurate and natural light. And you don't have to worry about the shutter speed or FPS. No matter what your shutter speed or FPS is, it never flickers. The CRI of 90 or higher are excellent at color rendering. To install the batteries, just slide in the batteries and it will get locked in. And once you connect both the batteries, you are ready to go. Turn the switch on to turn on the light. Turning the knob will adjust the brightness from 10% to 99%. When the LED stand on, it will display brightness output, battery power, channel and group. On the back there's ventilation holes on the top and bottom and cooling vents on all its edges. When it generates little heat, it will cool itself. It's very easy to change the channels. Just press the channel button to change the channels. Press the group button to change the groups. When you connect the AC adapter, the LED display lights up and shows that the battery is charging. And you can charge the batteries and use the light at the same time. And when AC adapter is connected, you can also use the light without batteries. And as you can see, when there's only one battery is connected, the light won't work. So you need 2 batteries installed to make it work. And always remember to turn off the switch before installing the batteries. And the light is now working. The remote which comes with the light is a 2.4 GHz remote. And you can control the light even if you're 100 meters away. With this remote, you can turn on and off the light and adjust the brightness. The remote is very responsive and you can control the multiple lights at the same time. So you don't have to adjust each light individually. With this remote, you can control up to 12 sets of lights. Once you set the channel and group number, the remote will only respond to that light. For example, if you set 2 lights on the same channel and group, you can adjust the brightness of the both lights at the same time. Press the CH button on the remote to change the channels of the remote. If you wanna buy this Amaran HR672S LED light, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.